Hi, I'm Rob Heffernan with Chacruna's Council for the Protection of Sacred Plants. During the Psychedelic Liberty Summit, I'll be on a panel looking at the question, should medicine-using groups consider petitioning the DEA to obtain a Religious Freedom Restoration Act exemption? There's lots of questions and concerns we'll be exploring, like what is the rationale for seeking an exemption when the government doesn't appear to be pursuing or prosecuting medicine-using groups at this point? Is the DEA's guidance process in accordance with the law? Do they actually have the regulatory authority to determine religious exemptions? Can you go to court instead of petitioning the DEA? Is a sacred medicine like ayahuasca basically already legal? Is the burden on the government to contact you? Should groups try to form associations to directly contact the DEA? What about groups that use multiple medicines, or groups that use LSD or MDMA? Would they qualify under the Religious Freedom Restoration Act? Would they face other obstacles? I hope you can join us at the Psychedelic Liberty Summit to explore these and many other issues. Thank you.